Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with Bakaleb Consulting, where we teach you business principles according to the Bible so that you can gain, achieve, and attain and retain wealth. Here are 10 businesses you can start for $100 or less, and this is part one. All right, you can reach us at bakalebconsulting@gmail.com, consulting at bakalebconsulting.com, or www.bakalebconsulting.com. Praise Yahweh. As always, everything, all thanks and praises belong to the Most High God, Yahweh. Today, we're talking about 10 businesses you can start for $100 or less. 10 businesses you can start for $100 or less. Many think you need thousands of dollars to begin. Yahweh shows us that it's proof that it's not about the seed size, it's about faith and diligence. The kingdom starts small, like a mustard seed, but grows into greatness. Let's go to Matthew 13 and you read 31 and 32. Now, we're going to look at 10 real businesses you can begin today, even with limited funds. All right? Another parable put he forth unto them, saying, The kingdom of heaven is like a grain of mustard seed, which a man took and sowed it in his field, which indeed is the least of all seeds, but when it is grown, it is the greatest among herbs, and becometh a tree, so that the birds of the air come and lodge in the branches thereof. That's deep. I can have a 3-month class on just that. That's deep. But we're not going to get into that. One example is cleaning service. You can clean people homes, office, or Airbnb cleaning. Startup costs, you're talking about between $50 and $100 for supplies, mops, cleaners. And nowadays, you can go to Dollar Tree and get those stuff. You got to be faithful in the little things. I removed the scripture from here. I have tons of scriptures for everything, but I removed the scriptures. I didn't want to just bombard you guys from the main scripture. So I remove some of the scriptures. In some you'll see I leave, some others I remove it. So now he that is faithful, which is least, is also faithful in much. So do the little things and build up. Start small by serving one client with excellence. Yahweh will multiply your opportunities. Okay? Start small with serving one client with excellence, and you can get word of mouth, and Yahweh will multiply your opportunities. I am not telling you models that don't work. These business models work. Do it. Recruiter, job finder service. Right now, so many people are unemployed. Companies will pay you to bring them qualified applicants. Connect people with small local businesses that are hiring. And you're talking about $0 to $50. All you need phone, internet, and some Canva flyers. And that's doing kingdom work. Connecting people is kingdom work. Companies will pay you to bring them qualified applicants. Get it done. Next, a photographer or content creator. Use your phone to shoot portraits or business photos. Tripod editing apps. You have free editing apps online. Use what's in your hand. Don't wait for expensive gear. Use what you have faithfully. You have skills. Security company. Do neighborhood patrol or event security. Offer basic unarmed patrol or door check services. You talking about between $50 and $100 for uniform, flashlight, and some ID cards. Protect and serve others with integrity. Security is about trust. When you protect people, you become a light in your community. So start up a security company. Start small. Handyman service. Simple repairs, furniture assembly, light fixtures, just simple things. Simple things. And between $50 and $100, a basic toolkit. Work with your hands. That's the kingdom principle. Work with your hands. Practical work builds both skill and credibility in the community. Work with your hands. Solar panel cleaning. Clean panels for homeowners or small businesses. I told someone about this and they're doing it in another state. They're doing great at it, making a lot of money. All you need is a bucket, squeegee, and some mild soap. You will help people maintain energy efficiency in their home. Solar panel cleaning. I'm pausing. I'm giving you a long pause so that you can really take this in. And if you look around and even in your neighborhood or go to other neighborhoods, it's so many homes now have solar panel. They don't know how to clean it. Offer the cleaning service for that. Get connected with solar panel company and offer your cleaning services. Partner up with those companies. Window washing, homes, storefronts, and offices. All you need is cleaner, squeegee, and some cloth. Window washing. Go places with your flyer, let them know, hey, can I wash your windows? And give them a price. A clean view help others see clearly, physically and spiritually. So I hope you are seeing this spiritually and you're seeing it physically. Parking lot cleaning, power washing, sweep, bag trash, or pressure wash driveways and lots. I told someone to do this years ago and they're still in business. They have expanded, making lots and lots of money. You need brooms, some bags. You can rent a pressure washer or purchase one at Lowe's or Home Depot. When you keep others' property clean, Yahweh will bless your own. Parking lot cleaning, power washing, virtual assistant, admin support, help small business owners with emails, calls, or data entry. All you need is the internet. Then you can do Canva for some flyer, poster my wall for some flyers, and you have a phone. Serve others as unto Yahweh. Organization and service are forms of ministry when done in love. There, you have no excuses not to have a business. You have no excuses not to be a productive member of society. Tutoring or skill teaching. Teach reading, math, or computer skills. If you're good in finance, do financial literacy. Flyers and materials. You don't even need a place. You can do it at your community center or you can do like a room at the library. Share your wisdom. When you help others grow, Yahweh multiplies your own wisdom and income. Praise Yahweh. Glory to Yahweh. Thank you for joining us today. Hopefully, those ideas will get you to go out now, get up and rush. Don't be lame. No longer will be a lame man or lame woman. You're out and you're making money. You are standing on your own 2 feet. Don't wait for a perfect time or a big investment. Start with what you have. Faith and diligence are your true capital. Remember the widow's oil in 2 Kings chapter 4. She started with what was in her house and Yahweh multiplied it. Go forth and build for the glory of Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. Glory to Yahweh. All right? It's that simple. Remove lack from your mind and think abundance, think wealth.